Are you curious about Uplimit AI and wondering if it's worth your time? In this quick review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this just released AI software. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Uplimit AI is the right tool for you. Plus, you can try it for free from the first link below. Uplimit AI is one of the newest players in the AI software space, but it's already making waves. It's packed with innovative features that promise to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Now let's dive right into it. First up, the user interface. Uplimit AI boasts an intuitive design that even those who are new to AI tools can get the hang of quickly. It's incredibly easy to navigate with no steep learning curve. This is a big plus for people who want to jump in and start using the software without spending hours on tutorials. So if you're a beginner, you're in luck. Next, the customization options. One thing that sets Uplimit AI apart from other software is its level of customization. You can tailor it to fit your needs, whether you're using it for content creation, data analysis, or automation. The flexibility in how you can configure the software makes it a great option for a wide variety of use cases. Uplimit AI also integrates seamlessly with a number of popular tools. If you're already using other software for your digital marketing or business needs, you'll be happy to know that Uplimit AI can easily plug into your existing workflow. It supports integrations with major platforms, which means you can sync your data and automate tasks without having to manually juggle different tools. Another impressive feature is its speed. Uplimit AI operates at lightning-fast speeds, processing tasks and delivering results in record time. Whether you're analyzing data or generating content, you won't have to wait long for Uplimit AI to get the job done. Now, let's talk about the AI's intelligence. Uplimit AI is equipped with advanced algorithms that allow it to make smart decisions and produce high-quality outputs. It's not just another tool that spits out random results. The AI is designed to understand context, which helps it generate more relevant and accurate suggestions, saving you time and improving your overall efficiency. One of the things I really appreciate about Uplimit AI is its scalability. Whether you're running a small business or a larger operation, Uplimit AI can grow with you. It's designed to handle increasing workloads without compromising performance, so as your business expands, the software can keep up. Lastly, let's talk about the support. Uplimit AI offers excellent customer service, with responsive teams available to help you out if you ever run into an issue. They also have a comprehensive knowledge base, so if you prefer to troubleshoot on your own, you can find all the resources you need. So, is Uplimit AI the best new AI software out there? If you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use tool that can help automate your tasks, improve your productivity, and scale with your business, it's definitely worth checking out. And remember, you can try it for free through the first link in the description. I've reviewed thousands of AI tools, and Uplimit AI stands out for its balance of power and simplicity. But don't just take my word for it. Go ahead and try it yourself. If you're looking for more AI tools to boost your workflow, be sure to check the description for my top recommendations.